How to share Spotify Wrapped on your Instagram stories step by step in this video. So let's start this without having any extra delay. For Android, firstly open the Spotify application just like this on your phone. Next, scroll down and pick 2020 Wrapped, like any year, like this is 2025. So you can choose your 2025 app. Then open your wrap, scroll to the last slide, and then now press the share button and select the Instagram application, and then you can simply post it on your story. This is how exactly you can do it and post your rap songs here on the Instagram story from your Spotify. One thing is to note that won't be able to access to any of the raps if you don't have listening history on Spotify. If you are a frequent user, if you have used it for a very long time of period, then only the raps will be available for you. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.